Oh, dang. All that noise comes from the laundry is distracting me. What's that loud noise? Oh my god! What happened to the washer? What is inside it? Oh my god! It is spinning too hard! Oh my god, it's making all that loud noise. I have a feeling that the washing machine might break. Oh my god! Why would our washing machine be like that for the first time? Oh my god! Hey yo, can you fix that washing machine? It's making a lot of noise and it's distracting me. That noise is what now? Ooh! Thank God. The washing machine stopped. Ooh, thank goodness the washing machine stopped.